Hey, what's up, Chainlink Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good team, my friends. Don't miss this video. Don't miss any second of this video. If you miss, so there is a chances to you will lose your money in the Chainlink, my friends. There is a chance to you lose your money and the Chainlink, my friends. On the other side, if you watch this video completely, so there is a possibilities to you will get profit from the Chainlink, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, please first of all click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. At this time, if we look the latest price update of the Chainlink, so at this time price of the Chainlink is 23.86 USD dollar is the currently price of the Chainlink. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the Chainlink, so you know what, the people are very worrying and the people are very angry to Chainlink that what's going on, the price is completely going down. The last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is negative, last 1 weekend price change is negative completely, my friends. The price of Chainlink is completely going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So what should we do this time in this critical situation, my friends? I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. It's time to hold, not to sell, my friends, because the price is completely fast down. And maybe my friends, you know what, after a big falls, there is a big jump, so there is a possibility to the price will pump and you will get profit from the Chainlink. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold it and don't decide to sell, my friends. I know, my friends, at this time the price of the Chainlink is completely going down, but that's not mean then you decide to sell, my friends. Be patient, be wait for a pump of Chainlink, my friends. The price of the Chainlink is very low, very high, so absolutely if you sell, so you will get a very big loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold, don't decide to sell. My prediction is positive about Chainlink. I'm sure, my friends, I believe that the huge pump of Chainlink are coming soon and this month, my friends. So what do you think about Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.